In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you recover your Apple account's password. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Now at the very top, you're gonna find the option Apple account. Click on that. From here, you can try signing back into your account directly. If you forgot your password or cannot access your account, what you're gonna do is close this, launch your preferred browser. Now type in Apple Password Recovery and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one. Now scroll down. Here are the steps to recover your password. Likewise, you're gonna get this link to reset your password. Click on that. Now go ahead and click on the option Reset Password. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email account or the phone number that is linked with your account. Type in that and click on Continue. Apple will send a verification code or recovery link to your trusted email address or phone number. Enter the verification code, create a new password, and your Apple account will be recovered successfully. Make sure to choose a strong password and keep your recovery information updated for better security. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.